292 coming out of Kentucky. And actually, the freeway, just kind of creeps crossing the river in between the states. But then 119 pops north, so I'll have to be on there because there's not a river crossing, so I'm going to have to be careful about that. Nope. Well, I guess I'll have to stay on the freeway. It's at 292 because if I get on the wrong side of the river. But having said that, there, north 292. Let's grab 52 south since I made the. I was gonna make the turn there. Let's go through Williamson, West Virginia. Tug Fork, is that what that is, huh? Well, that's the border. This is US 52? I don't think so. But that's okay. It is into town. Which is what I wanted. It's probably the old 52, huh? It was US 52. Holy moly. But we'll roll through town here. Welcome to West by God. Oof. 3 guys. Okay. That's a one-way street. Let's go up, and that's the bridge I was gonna cross. 2nd Avenue looks like the main street. Yep, sure is. Hotel. Yeah, be careful. The Coal House, built 1933. Tug Valley Chamber of Commerce. Stop signs, not stoplights. You know, maybe more downtown should probably go back to like just 4-way stops. Okay, that bridge. That bridge looks like it goes back to 119. Little restaurant over there. I'm going to turn with this boy. I'm going to go down to 1st Avenue. Highway's up there. That's pretty much it. Take that state route. If I take that state route, option to get on the bridge. I gotta make sure, because it's on the Kentucky side of the river, but there's not another river crossing to get me back. So I think probably the safe play would be to just stay with the route. So that is what I will do. So I will go under the railroad trestle here. I will follow North US 52 back to where it joins with 119. I guess I have the right of way. Ouch. Proceed with caution. That's US 52. This feels more like home than you think. This is US 52, folks. Stay here, Trail 10 house. That's a rental house. Get out of here. It's an Airbnb rental. Yep, US Highway. Country dogs. God, if it was open, I could just pull right up. You could hand it to me through my car window. There you go. Alright. Yeah, I guess that was all traffic that way. Okay. Well, that was Williamson, West Virginia.